Yeah, so Alparslan, Superman Alparslan Gelmish. Superman Alparslan came, so yeah.
It's not hurt. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you what we buy. It's gift for myself.
Yeah?
Let's
So,
show you. Number 1, THOR hammer. Ooh, ooh. Hooey, hooey, hoo, 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 hooey. Number 2, Atari. This is Chin's Atari, and it's at number 1. Look, you can hold and you can put wherever you want. And this is the other joystick. You can play whoever you want.
yeah, for everyone to play, right? So,
Yes, let's play. I will show you how I play.
so 2% can play with that, right?
Yes. Let me see. I will choose number 10. That is my favorite game. Yes. C is Chin. Nintendo! Ha! 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 Number 3 is Superman costume. Superman is so much strong enemy for the bad guys. But Superman just can be all the things. But just volume can be hostile for him. But
What?
he's a strong.
Oh, Superman.
Yes. He's a strong enemy. Like me. So let's open this. He can dodge anything.
Yeah, it's a Superman.
Yes. Dun, 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 Superman costume. Let's open this for your university. Guys, if you know what is university, comment below and say me please.
Yeah, so you're going to use that costume.
And
Wait,
I
ano
want
dyan? Yeah. So Alparslan will
Superman.
try that, and let's see if it's
Good. Done, guys.
yeah. So Alparslan, Superman Alparslan Gelmish. Superman Alparslan came, so yeah.
It's not hurt.
Okay.
And THOR! Superman is here.
Yeah, so
Superman THOR is here. Ooh. THOR and Superman is same. THOR cannot. THOR can dodge the bullets.
tama.
And
So
Superman cannot just do, and he not lie down on it. And you need to do is just Superman and THOR. Voila, Superman THOR. Oh, my shoes. The shoes are same with the Superman costume. Wait.
Is it hurting your
Foot
yoke your neck with the cape?
is not.
Okay.
One second is done. And these are my shoes. It's sitting, right?
Yeah, the Superman Alparslan.
Hoo, ha, hoo, ha, hoo, ha, hoo, chi, hoo, 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 ha, hoo, oh, hoo, 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 hoo. Oh yeah, victory! Ooh, ooh. Thank you, Hammer.
Okay, so that's it. So
Bye, guys.
did you like your gift?
Yes.
Yeah, so ganyan guys. Wala kasi talagang Pasko dito sa Turkey. I mean, hindi nagsi-celebrate ng Pasko ang mga Muslim. So, actually wala kaming mga nabalot na regalo ng Alparslan. Kaya ngayong araw na to lang kami lumabas
It's invisibility.
para bumili ng kanyang mga regalo. So, hindi surprise ang mga regalo niya kasi siya mismo ang namili guys ng kanyang mga gusto.
I'm choosing. Now it's no surprise.
Yes.
Bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.